Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to help you fix those annoying sound problems you might be having with YouTube TV. If you're watching your favorite show and suddenly there's no sound, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your device isn't muted. Sometimes, the simplest things get overlooked. Check the volume levels on your phone, tablet, or TV. Sometimes they might be turned down or muted accidentally. Next, try restarting the app. Close YouTube TV completely and reopen it. This can clear up minor glitches that mess with the audio. If that didn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or slow connection can cause audio to cut out or lag. Try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network or restart your router. Another tip: clear the app cache. On phones or smart TVs, go into the settings, find YouTube TV, and clear the cache. This can remove any corrupted temporary files. Still no sound? Try updating the YouTube TV app. Sometimes bugs causing audio issues are fixed with updates. Last resort, reboot your device. Turning it off and back on again refreshes the system and can fix stubborn sound issues. If none of these steps help, you might want to reach out to YouTube TV support. They can guide you further. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, one of these tips gets your sound back so you can enjoy your shows. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. See you next time.